Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make cornbread. Cornbread is a type of bread made from standard corns. It can also be made from candy corns and acorns, but this recipe will focus on the traditional type of corns because upholding traditions is important. Without them, we'd have nothing. The old traditional ways were better. Take for example the traditional food paste Smucker's brand Goober. This flavor paste is not only good for your sinews and bones, but it's delicious and full of essential stripes and textures. They don't make food style paste like this anymore, but that's fine as long as I've got my steady supply of Smucker's brand Goober striped Goober peanut jam slurry paste. One bite of that, either straight from the tub or smeared on a warm piece of cornbread, and I'm whisked back to a simpler time, a time when things still made sense. I don't want to say that a lack of striped sugar jelly butters in today's market is what's causing all of the world's problems, but I can say this. Smucker's brand Goober striped dipping sauce paste jelly is the one constant in my life that doesn't make me afraid.